Hi guys.
Man, look, I swear, it looks like the sand is about to collapse, I swear. Okay, last time we did Iceland. And now, I know, yeah, you see it, a dinosaur. You go. 15 monkeys. Something tells me it's gonna be a pain in my ass. There's one. There's two. Whatever. Here I come. I don't like it. Oh, that was beautiful. You saw that. You all saw that. That was beautiful. Now, I haven't used the banana ring in a while. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Ah! Oh, so close. Ooh, there's one. That monkey's in a bad place. Oh, whoops. Oh, whoa. Aha. No, you're not. You ain't getting away. Nice try. I'm scared to go in here. I mean, seriously. Let's see. I ran into it. I swear, I need my glasses on. I don't care. Oh man, I know what's up here. What the frig? What? It was a during like a catching cutscene. When I swung though. Where? This game is full of that shit. And are you kidding me? Let's see, easier to go this time. I don't like this thing, I swear. Okay. Run. Oh, what the frig? What? I found what? Okay. I didn't mean to do that, but I'll take credit for it. I mean, seriously. That was, lucky, I guess. Oh, you're one of those. Can I just... I can't do that. Oh, you jerk! I would have totally gotten that, too. Ha! Yes! I guess I'm going this way. Oh shoot, piranha fish. I do not like piranha fish. Piranha fish are like nightmares. Where are you taking me? I see where you're taking me. This is a good dinosaur. Oh, that's here enough to... And, no, break. Friggity break. Screw it. Screw that monkey. I'll catch it later. Aww. Indiana Jones. All over again. My question is, how do those rocks keep reappearing? Oh, I'm alive. And now I'm dead. See, I hate this part. Ooh, that was too close. I swear. Ooh. Oh. Am I actually gonna make it? I'm too scared. I made it! If only I had a save point here. Skip save. Taking the hell. Can I hit this? A cookie! You know. Come here, cookie. That means something bad's coming up. Ugh! This is a missile monkey, too. Okay. See that over there? Here. I'm gonna lose my cookie. Yep. And I lost it. Lost my cookie. Oh, there you are. Ah! So catch the missiles. Because that's what I do best. Oh my god, I'm gonna die! Because of a monkey! No, you. Damn it! Fucking monkey. Gonna fucking murder that fucking monkey. And not fall off the edge. Alright, get your ass over here, monkey. I have more cookies, which means you are going to die! Alright. Now to yourself. Sneak. Touch! Hell yeah, bitch! Mine! Let's see, I have 2 ways to go. I can go this way, or I can go that way. I'd rather do the stairs, because there's less chance of falling to my death. I'd be surprised if there was any chance of falling to my death. No! Nice try. Okay, you see this box right here? Gonna need a certain something in order to get it. everything. Ha! Geronimo! Oh, no! What? How in the world? What? How in... Okay. I'll deal with that. Help. They got us back here. Okay. I don't like this. I never have liked this. And I'm safe. For now. See, I always have to say that for now, because, well... Look at this. Oh, man, those piranhas are in there. Oh, fuck. I know there's something in here. Ooh. You wanna come here? Come here? Man, Jimmy, you and your big ass hair. Ugh. Sorry about that. Interruptions. Thanks. Oh. Get your ass over here, monkey. Ha! Prince. I'd rather land on these things. Oh my god. I hate piranhas. And love the sky flyer. I mean, sometimes it can help me, and sometimes it can just be a total bitch. And you know how that goes. I don't know about you. How many do I need left? Ah! Okay, I want to show you something. Lunch. Whoa! Hey, that's no fair. That is no fair. Honestly, that is no fair. Come here, lunch. Yep, that's my lunch. That's lunch. Jacket! This makes up for everything. Not really. Someone's speedy. I don't like speedy. Get your ass over here. No. Good, T-Rex? Hey! Fuck you, monkey! Fuck you! Is he coming? Is he coming? Is the T-Rex coming? The T-Rex was coming. Ha! It's living. Ah! Yeah. How many do you have? Okay. I don't know where he is. This ain't not cheap. I don't like this. If you can tell, I do not like this. Eh.